Well, good morning and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at one of the nicest little 55 Chevy 210 two-doors that we've had in an awful long time, and it's one of those that has a little surprise under the hood. We're going to show you in a second. Well, good morning. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota, a place where we have close to 100 classic cars here available for sale. Today we're going to show you one of our newest ones, a 1955 210 Resto-mod. The nice thing about this car is it's probably something you could drive anywhere you'd want to go. She's got a 383 stroker motor in it that has not a little bit of horsepower, a little bit more than what it came with in 1955 with your little 265 V8. Let's take a peek under the hood here just for a second and show you. Absolutely beautifully detailed car with all the amenities. Nicest thing, it has power steering and power brakes, which are really something that we really like in these cars from this vintage. Again, like I said, it's a 430 plus horsepower. She is ready to rock and roll. Look at the quality of the chrome on this car. That is one of its super nice things that someone put an awful lot of effort into getting that stuff done, and they got it done right. Beautiful two-tone. With the top, this is really neat. You can see the reflection in the light. It's got the pearlescence in the white, which is really, really nice. Of course, all radial tires all the way around. You got disc brakes in the front. You got, all the chrome wheels. This thing is something that's ready for someone to take it out for a drive. If you look at the inside, beautifully done, nice velour vinyl seats. Tilt steering, good instruments, so you can always check the gauges, see where you're at. Just a really, really well done car. The chrome, like I said, is outstanding. Glass is all nice. We have a well detailed trunk in the car as well. You'll see the pictures, as a matter of fact. I think we have those that will be included. Yeah, it's one of those cars that if you want something that you can get in and drive to the local car show, be in the top 10 no matter what, just because it's that nice, or it's one you want to take on a road trip. I mean, this is a car that you could jump in and drive to California as far as I'm concerned. But if you want to know more information about the car, it will be all on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. It will be on our showroom floor where we have room for 100 plus collector cars for sale at all times. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Love to have you come to Minnesota even in the winter because it's nice and warm inside here. So you can also look at all of our inventory and our YouTube channel. We have YouTube examples of many of our cars, Instagram, and whatnot. So you can, get a little closer and a little more information. So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about this one. This would be sure a fun car any time of the year, anywhere.